and gentlemen, we got a breakdown on nice bus number 1705 on Hillside Avenue, 186th Street. Apparently, if I could try to zoom this in, but I'm gonna see how far I can go. But apparently, this bus here, can't really see it, but this bus here, he was not supposed to be out on the road until cleared by New York State Department of Transportation, apparently. So why this bus was still out there is anybody's guess. Actually, I already know the answer to that one, because there's a shortage of buses. And when there's no maintenance on those, this is what happens. And apparently this guy was out there on the road. So now this guy, he's going to be towed back to the depot, because should he drive another, mile or 2 miles down the road, and then it breaks down, something happens, and then somebody sees it, then you're not allowed to be on the road. If the bus is deficient, it's having issues, because you know that it could kill somebody on the road here. That is just unbelievable. And I saw it just pop up, stopped over there, like not too long ago. And the supervisor's out there. So now, an N6 bus is missing, no less. And when you get no maintenance, this is what you get. They try to do shortcuts, and now this bus is having issues. And probably a lot overheats something, but you know what? This is a problem. This is a really big problem. Like I said, if Law Current was out here, but you know what? Let it drive a bus. Let's see what it feels like driving a bus with no maintenance. This is really the dysfunctionality of New York State is unbelievable. It really is truly unbelievable. Thanks for watching this video from Hillside Avenue, 185th Street. Alright, bus breakdown, 8019 Hillside and Francis Lewis. The Queens Village maintenance is really starting to show. So we're on the Q36 heading towards Little Neck, LIRR station. So this is breakdown number 2 of the day. First it was nice, and apparently that bus was flagged, and it was not even supposed to be on the road. This bus from Queens Village, unbelievable. It's almost like radar with me when I see breakdowns. No, really. Once the weather starts to warm up, like it was today, and I ran almost 8 miles, and this is what happens. The maintenance. Thanks for watching this video from Hillside Avenue and Francis Lewis Bowl.